Hey guys, Ramblin Bob here again. So I just wanted to give a quick update here. I know I just did a price update for Pecron. However, today there was a flash sale on one item. I want to show you that, what I saw. Let's see, let's go to products, and then you will see all their products. And then if you go all the way down, I noticed that one item is on having a flash sale, or it just altered prices and it's going to stay there. I don't know yet. I'll do a price update in a week and we'll see if it stays there. But if you scroll down, look at this here, guys. So this was $519 yesterday. It was $519 yesterday. Now the main system went up. I think it's like oh boy, I got to remember here. This one here, I think it's $569 or $549? $549. Okay, so notice that this used to be $519 here, guys. Okay, so a little bit more pricey for the main system. However, if you already have the main system, the battery is having a flash sale, or regular price, I don't know, $499. But it just dropped down today, and I wanted to make a video about it, guys. This is the kind of watt hour that you're paying for this thing here. Let's see, $499. I think that's extremely cheap, guys. When we bought our first two, they were $1,299 a piece. So when I look at this price, I kind of want to cry, but that's okay, because technology, it just does that. It goes down over time. Let's see here. $499 divided by 3,072 watt hours. That's what's inside this battery here. And watch this. Boom. Look at that. 16.2 cents per watt hour. Guys, I'm paying right now about 18 plus cents per watt hour in my area for electricity from the grid. That means if you have the EB3000 LFP, remember this is a 24 volt battery though. Don't use this on a newer system, or don't try it, because it's very dangerous and it won't work. That is cheap, guys. That's really, really cheap. I mean, 16.5 cents. You're talking server rack prices. I think that they're getting ready to phase out the 24 volts. However, if you have it, we still have ours. We have our E2000 LFP. We paid a lot. I don't know, remember what we paid. It was $12.99 each for the batteries, which is a lot. That's like $2,600. And then I thought we paid about $1,000 for our E2000. So if you were to buy a full kit right now, you're looking at possibly about $1,500 and something for excuse me, $1,500 and something for where'd it go here? I'm looking for the calculator here. Did the calculator not open? There it is. Okay, $1,500, and that would be 8,000, 1,500 plus. 1,500 divided by 8,064 watt hours, I believe it is. Yeah, 64. And boom, look at that, 18.6. So that's with the power of the inverter and everything inside there. So overall, I think this is one of the best prices per watt hour out there in the market right now. However, it is 24 volt battery pack. So if I were to choose, like if I were to buy a system now, I would definitely go for a 48 volt system, less conversion loss, and a little bit more widely acceptable format for batteries and the features and things like that, and just everything. You can still charge these at 12 to 95 volts VOC. Each battery as well as the system. However, the E2000 LFP does not balance as good as the E1500 newer. So what that means is if you were bringing in power through the main system and then you brought in extra power here, it would throw off the power meter until you fill it 100%, and then you let it kind of readapt, because the power meter, it wasn't programmed to be smart enough to understand that power is coming into the batteries. Does it work? 100%. I use it the exact same way for years. I think we bought ours in 2022. I want to say 2022. It had to be, yeah. That's a long time ago in solar, and we still charge through the batteries. And like I said, as long as you charge it all the way up and let it rebalance, it's fine. You don't have to let it rebalance in the power meter. It'll still work the same, except your power meter timer is off. That's why you should let it rebalance so the clock can reset. You know, that little power meter on the top. That's very important. All right, guys, I just wanted to bring this flash sale to you. $4.99, guys, if you need it. Very, very good price right now. I think that's outstanding. 16.2 cents per watt hour. If I look at what I paid for it, like I said, I'd want to cry, but that's okay. If it helps out the subscriber family, awesome. All right, guys, Ramble on, be safe. I'll see you next time here at Ramblin Bob Reviews. Bye, guys.